The AERWINS XTurismo is a hoverbike that offers wild looks and a seriously wild ride. Not unlike the type of recreational drone one can buy for private use, the XTurismo is equipped with a bevy of highly advanced sensors and technology but can also transport a person. It certainly has the looks for that sort of callback. Under the slender body fairings, the XTurismo features a gasoline-electric hybrid Kawasaki engine. While AERWINS hasn't released any info on how much power it develops, we do know that the craft weighs about 661 pounds, 299 kilograms, and that it can fly for about 40 minutes at speeds up to 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour. Priced at $777,000, this isn't a cheap ride by any means, but the CEO believes that the brand can change that in the near future. By 2025, he hopes that AERWINS can offer a smaller hoverbike priced at just $50,000. If that hope becomes reality, it might become one of the most shocking vehicle developments of the decade. Sometime between 2023 and 2025, the company hopes to offer a smaller version of the XTurismo here in the US. Numerous videos and tests from Japan, as well as other parts of the world, have demonstrated the viability of the platform already. In Japan, the hoverbike isn't considered an aircraft, so owners don't need a special license to fly it. Getting that same sort of pass here in the United States seems unlikely, but AERWINS is hoping to achieve just that. Individual flying vehicles would certainly change the way that travel takes place today, but for now, the company sees its main customers as the wealthy and also governments that wish to use it for policing as well as infrastructure inspection.